In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly utilize www.template.net alongside Google Docs for creating polished documents with ease. Let's dive right in and explore how to maximize the potential of these tools to enhance your productivity and creativity. First things first, we'll start by searching for the aesthetic notes template on template.net. Head over to the search bar on the website and type in the template name. It's all about finding just the right starting point to serve your needs, and the Aesthetic Notes template offers a neat and visually appealing layout to work with. After locating your desired template, the next step is to carefully choose which version suits your style or project requirements best. Browse through the different options available to you and select the one that feels like the perfect fit. Remember, an attractive and well-organized template can make a world of difference in how your content is perceived. Once you've selected your template, go ahead and click on the Google Docs option. What this does is prepare the template for editing in a familiar and versatile environment. Google Docs provides an excellent collaborative platform and makes it incredibly easy to draft, revise, and format any document to your liking. Upon clicking the Google Docs icon, you'll be prompted to make a copy of the template. Click on Make a Copy to ensure you have your own editable version saved to your Google Drive. This step is crucial for you to personalize the document without affecting the original template on template.net. Now, with the template ready and waiting in Google Docs, it's time to get creative and start editing. You can customize the content to reflect your personal taste or the specific details required by your project, change text, add images, or even adjust the colors and fonts to match your brand or presentation theme. Once you're satisfied with the edits and everything looks just the way you envisioned, it's time to prepare your document for sharing or printing. Click on File in the top left corner of Google Docs to open the File menu. This menu provides several options for your document's final format. Navigate to the Download option within the File menu. Selecting this will give you a list of different file formats available for download. Depending on your needs, whether it's for professional printing or digital sharing, you'll want to choose the most suitable format. For this tutorial, we'll go ahead and click on PDF Document PDF. PDFs are favored for their wide compatibility and professional appearance, making them an excellent choice for any finalized document. Your beautifully crafted notes or presentation will now be saved in a format that ensures it looks as intended across various devices and platforms. And there you have it, a simple and effective way to use template.net and Google Docs together to create aesthetically pleasing documents with ease. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.